Welcome back everyone. Let's see what are the other tables need to be created based on our ERD. So still we need to create project team and degree. And as you learned, these two are bridge tables. Let's go back to MySQL to create these two tables. So first we are going to create here project team. Create table project team, open parentheses, and first project team ID. This is the first column. It is integer, not null, and auto increment, comma, project number, integer, not null. And as you learned, this is a foreign key table, refers to project number in project table. And the same thing, employee ID here refers to employee ID in employee A table. And the data type here should be exactly identical with the data type in the primary key. So because project number in project table is integer, here it should be also integer and not null also. And the same thing here, because employee ID is integer in employee A table, here should be also integer and not null, comma, city code, this is another foreign key here, and also the type should be identical with the city code in location table. And after that we can create primary and foreign keys. Primary key here is project team ID, and we have here three foreign keys. First one, project number, references, project number and project, comma, and the second foreign key here is employee ID, references, employee ID in employee A table, and finally, foreign key, city code, references, city code in location table. We have here three foreign keys in addition to our primary key. The other bridge table left here is degree. To create degree table, create table degree between parentheses, the degree ID. Here is the first column. It's integer, not null, and auto increment. Employee ID, integer, not null, and this is a foreign key. Refers to employee ID in employee A table. And institute ID is another foreign key. Refers to institute ID in institute table. And finally here degree name. This is variable character with 255 characters. After that, primary key here is degree ID, and we have here two foreign keys, employee ID, references, employee ID in employee A table, and institute ID, references, institute ID in institute table. So that's it. Let's execute the part of code that create these two tables. So select this part and select execute, and here we go. We didn't receive any error, everything is green. Refresh, and as you see, we got all the tables that we need so far. So we completed the part of creating the tables in MySQL. We are going to do the same thing in Microsoft SQL Server. Stay tuned.